If you like tacos and you love sushi, then I have a perfect recipe for you that combines these two into these delicious, amazing, crispy taco sushi. Come with me, let's cook together. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Come join me today and let's cook together one very intriguing, interesting, delicious recipe. Start by preparing the fish. I am using salmon, but feel free to use any type of fish. Clean and remove the skin and cut into small 1 to 2 centimeter size cubes and set them aside in the fridge. Next step is to prepare the tempura dough. For this I have 1 package of tempura flour and I am adding ice cold sparkling water to it. Gently mixing the water and flour for not to remove all the bubbles from the water. Tempura dough is a quite light liquid batter. Also the idea is to cover the food in a light manner so the final outcome is thin and super crispy. Nori sheets are the ingredients that will be our tacos. And to make them extra crispy and tasty, I will fry them in the tempura. It's very easy to use and prep them. Just take package-sized nori sheets and cut them into 4 squares. Nori is the main ingredient in sushi also, and widely used in Japan and all over the world. It's made from seaweed. Nori is healthy, tastes good, and goes very well with this recipe. Heat up the oil to 180 degrees and quickly dip the tiny side of nori sheet into the tempura. Let it drip excess batter off and put the nori into the hot oil. Remove when it's almost ready in 1 to 2 minutes. While it's still soft, press it down on a taco holder to get the shape of taco shell. Let it stay there until cooled down. Repeat the same for the other nori sheets. Place all the salmon cubes into the tempura mixture and mix it well. Few pieces at a time, place the salmon into the hot oil. They will stick together when you don't mix them well in the oil. Make sure to do that. It's ready when crispy and golden like this. For seasoning, you can use salt, soya sauce, or any type of mayo. Today I will use my favorite, that is sriracha mayo. Slightly cover the salmon and mix it well. For extra flavors, I will use some spring onion. Just chop it down into as small pieces as you can. Next, some fresh cucumber that will go perfectly together with these flavors. And thirdly, for some extra kick, I have some homemade kimchi. I prefer it mild, so my kimchi is not so spicy, but as you prefer, can be more spicy too. Just chop it into smaller pieces. You can also replace it with fresh lettuce. Finally, it's time to put together our sushi tacos. Take the nori sheets and fill with some rice. I have mixed my sushi rice with some rice vinegar and soya sauce. Next, fill the tempura salmon on top of the rice. Little bit of kimchi for the kick. Next, some crunchy cucumber and finish it up with green onion. You can also use coriander, dill, or any type of herb you prefer. Final touch for me is to finish it off with some herb mayo and black and white sesame seeds. This combination is fresh, filling, and delicious all together. Perfect for a snack or a full meal. Hope you enjoy it! Thank you everybody for being part of Melmi Food and Lifestyle community on YouTube. This community has grown so fast that there was a surprise in my mail. So I will have a next video unboxing my amazing plate from YouTube. Stay tuned. If you like my content, then please subscribe, ring the bell, and put a like. Thank you. Bye.